Guys, and we are back. And as you know, it's Christmas time and anybody could pop in the bar. Hey!
How are you, my brother?
Good, brother.
Niceness, I am here.
Hey, thanks for being here.
Not a problem, not a problem.
So what we bring here?
Well, this is some samosas. It's a Christmas tradition. Don't mind me. You know?
Yeah.
So, Christmas, I usually do the cooking.
Nice.
But this year I gave mommy a chance.
Right.
I was just the guidance officer. You know, I tell her not too much flour, not too much potato, things. I was just there helping out.
So what type of samosas we have here?
Usual samosas, potato, it works.
Nice.
Right? And you have it
Hey.
a little sauce to it.
I ready to dip into this, you know?
Of course.
Yeah, man.
See no more.
Have some drinks here to hook we up with.
You know when you say Martell, you say me, eh?
Right.
Somebody say, eh?
Buddy, so excited to have you on the show. You know what I mean? How the Christmas season looking?
Good enough. Can't complain. I'm
Nice.
just hoping this year I don't get one gift because I have a problem. But today is Boxing Day.
Hey,
Usually I get one gift.
right.
I'm hoping this year they give me like, I mean,
More than one gift.
more than one.
All right.
I hope I get two gifts.
Hey, are they listening?
Yes.
Man, want more than one gift. But hey, I'm sure you can get that.
Well, I know Martell have a back.
Right.
100%.
Yes.
So I'll get something for Martell.
So, put in this here to serve. You get a little plates for me. Alright.
See how fancy setup here looking like you get something expensive to drink.
Of course. You could use this. That's fine. A little sauce here. We can deal with that.
What we going?
I really.
One at a time?
We can go one at a time. Yeah. Right. I actually like samosas. So let me try it with all the sauce first. Because I always get the real flavor.
Very good.
Yeah, man. Season up nice.
Mommy?
For real. Mommy, big up yourself. Samosas nice, soft, flavorful. So boys, I'm thinking, right? Again, these nice kind of spices with it. Again, a little cumin and stuff, right? So let me mix a drink that I feel will pair nice with this. So let me deal with this one time. So there's the Blue Swift.
Blue sir. Proper.
I know it have our next one on the range or two.
Yeah,
but
that's the VS.
the VS.
We are the Blue Swift. Like me, that is more my kind of vibe.
Right.
You know what I mean?
So Blue Swift, I'm excited to mix with this. But first, let me tell them a little mix line up here because I was thinking, voice coming through.
Yeah.
I know he's a man like he cognac and thing.
Yes.
So I have a homemade orange liqueur. There's a maraschino liqueur, which is it's a kind of Christmas vibes.
Yeah.
Right? It's cherry and stuff. I have a little zest to go over it. Right? I call this one hibiscus, and I make my own very own bitters, strawberry and mandarin.
Okay.
So we keep it in line with the Christmas vibes, right? And which is a kind of refreshing, so it'll kind of cleanse your palate when we eat it. Cool? So again, right into it.
You're using some terms I already understand, but go ahead, no problem.
Well, mixology is a thing where you learn as you go along.
Yeah.
'Cause
I just want to taste.
yeah, man.
It's Christmas season, it's Christmas weekend. I am here to taste, my brother.
So I think you 2 ounces. Yeah? A nice hefty drink. And I'm following by my orange liqueur. Just to give it a nice sweet citrus flavor. Yeah. Brother, so you ever mix any drinks? Like you know, ever pick up a bottle? Ah. Okay.
Nah, but I mixed a couple things before. I'm a little Martell apron and thing.
Right.
So we actually done Martell competitions. Came up just beating it by default.
I hear about that.
But,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
They get the outside eyes.
Yeah,
They get the outside eye. Right.
But yeah, that was actually the only time I do any mixing though.
I like that.
I'm good enough.
I wouldn't doubt that. So vibes with voicey. Tell me about it. How it come along? How?
Like the voice.
It was is obviously it's grown into a brand way much
bigger than we expected. But it just started off a little show with my friend Penny and I, you know, old schoolmate of mine. He said, boy, let me go live. I said, Penny, you sure I never went live before? He said, nah, let me do it now. Let me just check in with the people. Because it was around the same time, the Honorable Prime Minister said, ladies and gentlemen, unless a dramatic wind blows over Trinidad and Tobago, there will not be a Carnival 2021. Yes, I remember that day. So it was around that time and we said, boy, let me just go and check in with the fellow artists and the people, and that was the first time we went live. And then the following week, we just say, all right, we're going live, because we missed the Tuesday. It started off on a Tuesday, right? And we missed the live the following Tuesday. We say, no, we're going Thursday. And somebody commented, like, why not do it every Thursday? Every Thursday. And that stick with us. And then the third Thursday, we did it. Somebody comment, we should call it Vibes with VOICE. Right. And that was it.
So everything was kind of
organic, totally
inspired
organic.
by the fans as it go along.
Yeah.
And look where it become.
Yeah. And I think that is why they're so connected to it, because everything is, they made it, you know what I mean? So there's good vibes, good energy, man.
And next thing though, bro. So I'm gonna mix this, right? This part what we call shaking,
right?
Mixology.
Right.
So I'm gonna shake everything together,
right?
Chill it with the ice, mix all the ingredients, and you're getting some dilution.
Yeah.
And you're getting some aeration too, because the air, the bubbles will trap into it.
Alright, nice.
So we good.
Yeah, it's a shake market to Salumos, man. I have that skill, real. I have that skill, excellent.
Nice. So, one other thing. Where does game all these hits from? Where does kind of inspire that? I know you just write your own tunes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I know you have some good song engineer and your band and everybody.
Yeah. Honestly, every time somebody asks me, I just say God, boy.
God.
Yeah.
I respect
all
yes.
The inspiration has come from me. Because sometimes I might go through a situation, yes, but you know what I mean, the ability to actually put it in song and to express myself in song and melody and that kind of thing, definitely a gift sent from God, man. So he's always the inspiration and the motivation behind it.
I appreciate that, because most talents is come from within.
Yeah.
And you know you have God within you.
Yeah. And I found my music thing late in my career, 16, 17, and I was like, wait, now you could sing. You know what I mean? So that was it. And
so it wasn't something that you dream of at a young age?
Well, I always wanted to be like Bungie, yeah. Right. Yeah, you said that.
Lyrical.
Yeah. But in terms of
actual singing, look at my wrong.
I mean, some with
Hey, I made a glass there. But he lyrical.
Yeah.
He lyrical. Yeah, I understand where you're coming from. Yeah. So.
I like it, yeah, man.
Yeah. So
I suspect by the time we finish with them drinks, these samosas might finish too. Yeah, because it isn't good.
Well, we have enough for now. We can share. It's Christmas. It's our time to share. And I will keep about 2 or 3 for me.
All right. You didn't see that net.
So I'm straining, right? This is called a hawthorn, and we're straining over. So this will actually keep all the ice, and if we use any ingredients, back in the shaker.
Niceness, man.
How we looking?
I love the texture, I must say.
So I ain't disturb too much of the flavor of the cognac, right? But I just add some condiment flavors, what we call mixers.
All right.
Simple garnish to this, since we already have some citrus in it. This orange nice and fresh.
You cut it straight away.
So going right in the drink. So the juices as well will infuse into the drink now.
Yeah.
So you know, when you're going out, you have to smell a little good.
Of course.
In mixology, we had to add the little flair, you know, the little aromas. So brother, this is to you.
Thank you.
And I know you're celebrating your birthday.
Yes.
Boxing Day.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So hey, cheers to VOICE for being on the show.
Cheers.
And wish you many, many more years of success and vibes with VOICE.
All the best.
So you're getting the bourbon cask because to get this color, you actually had to put the cognac in a cask and you bring out that color, right? So that's one of the notes I get, and I love that, right? apart from the fruitiness, and it's a mature flavor. Cool? So, cheers to Martell, guys, for our amazing drink. So, Ole, we coming back next year with more buddies on the show and more guests. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.